Hey everyone, it's Reed here. Yeah, I've been missing for a while. A lot of things moving on the home front and all sorts of stuff going on. But I'm really going to be working on being back here. I know I've said this a million times, but I'm really going to push for it. Just has been really crazy with a lot of things going on here. But let me start with a quick tip for you guys today for gardening stuff since things are getting warm and it's time to start farming and growing food. All right, here's a tree. And you can see all the buds on it, as long as the camera decides to focus. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good. But yeah, we've got all these nice buds on this tree. Well, this tree is actually that apple tree that was dying on me last year. It wasn't getting anywhere and everything else. It's this Tallman sweet apple, semi-dwarf. But it was looking horrible. And if you see, here's the old bean carcasses I'd planted all around it, because the beans looked horrible initially. So I dug the thing up, replanted it, put new beans in there, and the beans looked great. Actually, I got a couple beans I need to pick that I missed the pods on. They were just black beans that were very used to New Mexico and quite happy here. And they did great. And the tree hung on. It hung on. Well, now we got buds. Yes, me noticing that the tree was in very bad shape. Now I got buds and it's living. So it's going to take off and grow this year, which will be great. So I don't have a tree dead. That's why an indicator plant is really good. And if you haven't seen the video where I talked about this, where I was putting beans in and everything else going on, well, link is up in the corner and the description. You can check it out. You can also find me on other platforms, Rumble, BitChute, and all that. There's a pinned comment that shows where I'm at. But anyways, there's your quick tip. Indicator plants are very good, and this resulted in a win. The tree made it through the winter, and it's going to get growing. And I'll show you how it does this year. And yes, I'm going to plant more beans with it again to keep a good eye on it. Hopefully this is a quick tip video that's helpful to everyone. Take care. Read out.